Vocabulary list. Prepare 7. Unit 11. Places in a city. Uncountable nouns. Art gallery. We visited an art gallery last Sunday. Cathedral. The cathedral is over 500 years old. Embassy. They went to the embassy for a visa. Fountain. Children played near the fountain. Museum. The museum closes at 6 p.m. Old Town. We walked around the old town. Palace. The king lived in a beautiful palace. Shopping area. This shopping area is always crowded. Skyscraper. The skyscraper has 70 floors. Sports center. I go to the sports center twice a week. Stadium. The stadium was full during the match. Statue. There's a statue in the main square. Temple. They visited an ancient temple. Electricity. Electricity is expensive in winter. Food. We bought food for the picnic. Furniture. The furniture in the room is new. Homework. I finished my homework early. Information. That website gives useful information. Jewelry. She bought some new jewelry. Luggage. His luggage was very heavy. Money. I don't have enough money. News. The news was surprising today. Staff. The hotel staff were very helpful. Traffic. The traffic was terrible this morning. Wildlife.